And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
At 5:39 on this Wednesday morning, we're off to another warm and humid start, just like it has been pretty much every morning this work week so far. La Rosita, you're at 77. It's 79 in Elsa as well as Los Indios. And good morning to you in Santa Monica, checking in at 76 degrees. So this is what we're waking up to, but later on it's going to get a little bit hotter. But check out this wind right now, mainly out of the north-northwest and relatively calm in Weslaco and McAllen, where it is blowing very, very light at about 3 miles per hour. Today we'll have an east to northeast wind, 7 to 14 miles per hour. It's a little bit different. High temperature, really no major difference there though. 98 degrees, a couple of degrees above the average, still staying below the record of 104 that was set in 2009. It's still going to feel like triple digits out there because we still have that lower level humidity, and with increasing moisture on the way, we're definitely going to see rising rain chances. Right now the Doppler network is quiet, but later on today we could see some rain. So let me show you the future track model. The high resolution model, we started at 5. We go to about 9. Really not too much going on other than the clouds kind of building up in the sky. You notice a few little stray things of green popping up there, here and there. I think maybe a few of those could maybe latch onto the sea breeze front and ride into the upper valley, but really not a whole bunch of widespread rain is expected. Overnight, we'll have clear skies, low temperatures in the mid-70s. And then as we head into tomorrow, you'll notice that there's a little bit more active day. We have spotty showers and thunderstorms kind of around throughout the day, and there could be some pockets of heavy rain. Notice it's a little bit more active compared to today. And then as we go in Thursday night going into Friday morning, that's where things really start to change. Heavy rain is on the way, and you can see it impacts the mid to lower valley first, and those bands of rain will definitely be a little bit heavier in the mid to lower valley. The upper valley will still see some bands of rain as well. It's all because the remnants of Harvey will definitely be making their way closer to the valley. Here's a look at that right now. It's still very unorganized at this point in time, starting to be a little bit more organized as it moves over the Bay of Campeche, and we are expecting a tropical depression or a tropical storm by later on today or tonight. So what's kept it from forming over the past 24 hours is the dry air, and you can see the brown. That's a little bit of dry air there, but now it's starting to kind of go away a little bit and allow for some of that development to occur. So with that being said, we are looking at some spaghetti models to kind of get an idea of where this potential storm has the chance to go. This could change at any given point, but a lot of the models have changed over the past 48 hours. Originally, they were taking them all to the south and into the valley. Now they're kind of keeping them a little bit farther east, kind of a little bit situated offshore. Still, if you run close to the valley, with the main impact being to the north of the RGV. So that's still going to give us a decent chance for rain in the valley and definitely some rough surf. But for now, we will have a light chop on the bay for today. Nearshore waters between 2 and 4 feet. Spotty thunderstorms are in the forecast, so just keep your eyes peeled for that, boaters. Here's your First Warn 5 7-day forecast. Increasing cloud cover and rain will lead to temperatures going down the temperature scale. Nice little change of pace. Here we go. 98 today, followed by 95 tomorrow. 90 to wrap up the work week. Some areas will definitely stay in the upper 80s on Friday. As we head into Saturday, we'll keep a 50% chance for showers and thunderstorms. Friday looks to be the most active day with 70% of the valley getting in on the rain. So down to 50%, and of course temperatures will go up a little bit, 93 degrees, back to 95 and 97 as we dial back on those rain chances into early next week, down to 10% by about Tuesday or so. Your overnight lows will stay near 76 and 77 for the next 7 nights. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.